Ready?
Yes, sir. It is April 19th, Wednesday, April 19th. We are on Anna Garrido's roof doing a repairability test.
God, these shingles are... Okay, we're just gonna go up approximately maybe about a 45. Where you can maybe get in here. So look at the nail. Lay back down. And as you can see, that crease the shingle, doing it that gently. Can you see that crease?
I see it.
It's non-repairable. And this is on the slope. Doesn't have the wear and tear like on the front. It's even worse with all there's more hail damage to the front. And I mean, obviously, you see it barely lifted that and it creased the shingle.